Today I am going to show you how to make the plane that I designed for Mr. Beast. Let's see how it flies. I have named this plane Zylok. It can fly well over 200 feet. I am also going to design a template of this plane for Mr. Beast in future. I will also do a giveaway of that template, and the winners are going to be my active subscribers. So click on the subscribe button and press the bell icon so that you can get that template. I am really eager to know that if Mr. Beast can make this plane or not. So if you are watching this, tell me in the comments if you can make this plane or not. But before I show you how to make this plane, a big shout out to R&H. I am giving a random shout out to my active subscribers. By active subscribers I mean the ones who always likes and comments on my videos. Now let's see how to make this plane. To become a paper airplane pro, see the left video.